Hello everyone, my name is Corbin and in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare my soil medium mix for tropical plants. This is really the media that you need for all your tropical plants because this is really what I use to create that tropical jungle feel. So all of the ingredients that you'll need for your growing media are all here on the table. The first one being worm castings. Now worm castings is an amazing organic fertilizer, and this is really what is going to give the nutrition to your growing media. You can also use this as a top dressing fertilizer over the surface of your plants, and it will act as a slow release fertilizer. The next thing, of course, is milled orchid bark. And what this will do is this will help with the aeration, and it will provide your plants with nice pockets of air so your media does not get compacted. Then, of course, we are also going to use cocoa coir, and cocoa coir, of course, is really going to be what's going to hold this medium together. It's also like a filler media. It has great water holding capacities. It's going to help you to keep the moisture within your growing media. Then we are also going to, of course, add perlite. Now perlite is also great for providing drainage, and it will help to increase the drainage of our media to make it nice and fast draining. Of course, as we all know, tropical plants all need fast draining media. Then the last thing I'm going to add in here is, of course, this is volcanic rock dust. And the reason I'm going to add this in is because it's absolutely packed with minerals and trace elements, which is absolutely like gold to your houseplants. And the combination of this with the worm castings is going to be a winning combination. So to start off, I am going to first add in the milled orchid bark. And you can see I'm adding all of these things in at an equal ratio. You can, as you mix it and you see that, that you need something of this, something of that, you can add in more. But to start off with, I'm doing equal parts of each. Then the next one is I'll add in the perlite. And then start to mix these. So this has now been well mixed and tossed all over the place. Then I'll add in my cocoa coir. And again we mix. There we go. And now we can see that we have a mixture that looks like this. Now doesn't that just look lovely? As if your plants would just want to go and like shoot roots into it. Okay, last, well not lastly, second lastly is my worm castings. And we again mix this through. And now I'm going to add in the volcanic rock dust. That's it. And I think that this is it. It's a nice loamy mixture. So this has been how I craft my soil mixture. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. and please subscribe to see more videos like these.